Hello students, in this video I'll be taking some very important questions. The questions are true, false, not given, which most of the test takers they find very challenging, very difficult. So in our today's video we'll be taking two questions, so it will be a short video. The first question is, serotonin is an essential cause of human aggression. One thing we must not forget about IELTS is that questions would always be paraphrased in the text. It means we'll not get same words in the text. So for understanding the answers, for getting the answers easily, we have to develop the potential that we should be able to understand the meaning of the question, relate the meaning of the question with the information in the text. So first of all, we'll understand the meaning of the question. Question is saying serotonin is an essential cause of human aggression. It means serotonin, which is a hormone, is an essential, important cause of aggression amongst humans. If human beings they get aggressive, serotonin is an essential, important cause. This is the meaning of the question. Now, what is the information in the text? We'll read that also to decide our answer. High levels of serotonin in certain areas of nervous system make people more active, reactive and possibly more aggressive. So we get the keywords. The first keyword is serotonin. We get this. High levels of this hormone in certain areas of the nervous system make people active, reactive and possibly more aggressive. So we are coming to our keywords. These words are giving our answer. Possibly more aggressive, but we should look at the question. Question is saying this serotonin is an essential means important cause of aggression amongst humans, but the text is saying possibly means not essential, maybe, probability, maybe this is one of the reasons for aggression amongst humans. If humans they become aggressive, this could be one of the reasons. Why? Because of the word possibly. So when the information in the text is using possibly, it means it cannot be essential, important. So the answer in this case should be false. Why? Because the information is opposite. In the text, the information is opposite of the question. It is opposite of the question. It contradicts the question. So it should be false. Now we will take another question. In 1903, women in Australia were still not allowed to vote. What is the meaning of this question? The meaning of this question is that in this year, 1903, women in Australia, they didn't have right to vote. This question's answer we have to decide that they didn't have right to vote. The year is given, place is given. Now this is the information in the text from which we'll get our answer. We'll read this. Formed in 1903 by the political campaigner Mrs. Emmeline Pankhurst and her daughters Christabel and Sylvia, the WSPU began an educated campaign to put women's suffrage on the political agenda. First of all, we'll understand the meaning of this sentence. There was an organization named WSPU which was formed in this year, and who made this organization? This was the leading person, Mrs. Emmeline Pankhurst and her daughters Christabel and Sylvia. So this organization was formed, this was the year, and they began a campaign. This campaign was educated campaign, and reason behind the campaign was that they put women's suffrage on the political agenda. What is that? Women's suffrage. Suffrage means right to vote. That one should have right to vote. So this was main agenda for their campaign. Now New Zealand, next sentence. New Zealand, Australia and parts of United States had already enfranchised women, and growing number of their British counterparts wanted the same opportunity. So New Zealand, Australia and parts of the US. Our keyword is Australia, and we get something about Australia here. So these countries, New Zealand, Australia and some parts of the US, they had already enfranchised women. What is the meaning of this? Had already enfranchised. they had already given the women a right to vote. It means women in these countries, they already had a right to vote. And a growing number of, increasing number of their counterparts, companions in Britain, they also wanted the same opportunity. So when they wanted the same opportunity, it means they also wanted the right to vote where? In Britain. But in Australia, they already had the right to vote because of these words. So what should be the answer? Question is saying women in Australia were still not allowed to vote, but they already were enfranchised. So the answer should be false, because it is opposite of the information in the text. It contradicts the information in the text. So this answer should be false. This is how you can decide your answers, but practice is very important, and that's all in this video.